Growing a YouTube channel from scratch may seem challenging, but with the right strategies, you can build an engaged audience and achieve success. 1. Focus on a specific niche that matches your passion and expertise. Understand your audience's needs and preferences. Example: if you're passionate about fitness, narrow it down to home workouts or beginner fitness tips. 2. Ensure your videos provide value, whether it's entertainment, education, or inspiration. Invest in good production quality. Pro tip: use a strong hook in the first 10 seconds to keep viewers engaged. 3. Use SEO-friendly titles, detailed descriptions, and relevant tags to improve discoverability. Match content to audience intent. Example: instead of workout routine, use 10-minute home workout for beginners, no equipment needed. 4. Design bold, clear, and visually appealing thumbnails. They are your first impression. Pro tip: avoid misleading thumbnails. They can damage trust and hurt your retention rates. 5. Stick to a schedule so your audience knows when to expect new content. Consistency helps with retention. Pro tip: batch produce videos to stay ahead of your schedule. 6. Build a community by responding to comments and encouraging viewers to engage. Foster loyalty. Example: include a CTA like, "Let me know your thoughts" in the comments below. 7. Share your videos on social media platforms, blogs, and email newsletters to drive external traffic. Pro tip: use Instagram stories or TikTok teasers to generate interest. Final thoughts. Growing a YouTube channel requires patience and creativity. Start small, stay consistent, and let your passion shine through.